In this video, we are going to go over some basics of link building to increase traffic to your business website. Getting links to point back to your site is one of the main ways people implement SEO. The reason this works is because when the search engines crawl websites, they check to see what other sites are being linked to. If you get a link on a site that is relevant to yours in the eyes of the search engine, your website will look better. Now, if you can get a lot of these links, your site will start to climb higher and higher in the search engine results. Why does any of this matter? After all, there are other ways to get traffic besides search engines, right? That's true, but there are a lot of people that will only find you through the search engines. Furthermore, the closer to the top of the results pages you are, the more likely they are to see the link to your site and visit it. Keep in mind that while you can do things to rank higher, the search engines are not there to serve your desire to get traffic, at least not entirely. What they are there for is to give relevant results to their users. That's why the site sending links back to your site needs to be relevant. In fact, the more a particular search engine likes the site linking to you, the more benefit you'll receive. This all sounds great. Just get a bunch of links to your site and do a few other SEO things and you'll be at #1 in no time, right? Not necessarily. You also have to make sure you have high quality content on your site. After all, the people visiting your site need to like what they see. Otherwise, you have wasted a lot of time and effort. To put it simply, it's alright to do SEO, but don't forget that you are creating your site for people. You can get links back to your site by swapping links with other webmasters. However, you need to give this some thought to make sure the links you're getting will be looked on favorably by the search engines. Another way is to write articles and submit them to article directories. The articles will have a link back to your site. Leaving comments on blogs, again with your link, is the method of link building preferred by a lot of people. Whatever ways of link building you choose, the key is to get a large amount of links and to make sure the sites linking back to you are relevant. This can take some time, but it's a good investment if you know what you're doing. The backlinking methods we just covered are a good start, but don't stop there. The more you know about various SEO techniques, the more you can use them to your advantage.